being used by the player.
Yeah.
This habit of whirling around.
That's right, especially after he gets done. He catches it the ball top time.
Yan na. Sumasabay na. Grabe yun.
Corner of the player asking him to
Parang kamatis na yung ulong. Ayun, body shot.
crowd, sensing something special.
Ayaw talaga yung mayo.
Staggering around the ring. Take him out of punishment then.
Going to use the ropes.
Uy. Tigil mo na, rep. Wala na yan.
And they stops it. They stops the fight. And Luis turns it short. Has been stopped here in the 8th round. What a rousing victory here from Kevin Guerrero.
But what a brave, brave fighter is Luis Concepcion.
Well, he didn't go down once more. In the 8th round, he was just taking
Paliguan, kaya pala yan. Kaya paliguan na rin galing mo.
Not put up his defenses anymore. That ends this battle, this main event tonight.
Well, I also thought that Kevin had needed
Body
this
shot
type of
na.
workout. Previous fights, making it the first time. For Guerrero, 2 needed rounds. And Luis Concepcion certainly gave him those rounds. So a good lesson for him. I thought that his power was slowly ebbing towards the middle rounds. But he was able to recoup. He got his second win. And then the aggressiveness showed once more for Kenneth Guerrero and Luis Concepcion. I mean, this guy, heart of a warrior. Gotta give him credit. Went down in the second, went down in the third. Didn't go down any longer. He was still on his feet.
Si Reggie, walang misa. Bawal muna lumabas kasi magang mukha ni Obispo.
Stopping the action.